Today is the 28th of June. The date marks 56 years since the Stonewall riots, a turning point in LGBTQ+ history that continues to shape the Pride movement. Here's a special report from WION's correspondent Nikita Singh as she tells you about celebrating this special day with the people of the community in New Delhi. Take a look.
A celebration of identity, equality and love. This is Pride Month. 56 years ago, at New York's Stonewall Inn, a police raid targeting the LGBTQ community sparked a fierce uprising on the 28th of June, 1969. In an era when meeting openly was risky and raids were common, that night's resistance marked a turning point. Crowds grew. Over 1,000 protested the next night, igniting the gay liberation movement. Since then, June has been celebrated worldwide with parades and events honoring the fight for equality. In India too, Pride has grown stronger, with rainbow flags flying high from big cities to small towns. The Kolkata Pride Walk of 1999, India's first Pride Walk, led the way for many cities to join the movement. Homosexuality has long carried a stigma in India's traditional society. Even though there has been a shift in attitudes towards same-sex couples in recent years, from business pop-ups to creative showcases, there are several Pride platforms now in India that are helping to unite this community.
The work that you get to see in this particular month has happened throughout the year. It's just that when you amplify it together with everybody else, the noise is amplified, people acknowledge it.
When we speak of Pride celebrations, have you really seen a change in how these celebrations have grown and conversations have increased all year around and not only in the month of June?
Brands which are not queer-owned but ally-owned are actually coming up and taking more charge. Of course, with experience, I know when it's tokenism and when it's not.
A landmark moment came in 2018 when the Supreme Court of India decriminalized homosexuality, striking down Section 377. The verdict brought visibility, acceptance and new energy to the LGBTQ+ community. But in 2023, the Apex Court ruled that it would not legalize same-sex marriages or extend adoption rights to queer couples. The battle still continues.
I think it's going to be a long battle and an uphill one, especially in the current socio-political, geopolitical climate.
White Pride celebration is marked for the month of June. The spirit of inclusion, respect and dignity is something that should be celebrated all year around. With camera person Libin, this is Nikita Singh for WION. World is One.